Whether you are looking to enhance your career growth or you are looking to expand your educational opportunities, mastering English has the potential to be transformative. So guys, in this YouTube video, we will learn how to speak English in simple steps. Hello guys, so welcome back to first video of how to learn English. So चलिए हम लोग अब शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो के साथ और हम लोग सीखेंगे कि आप एक अच्छी इंग्लिश कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ कैसे बोल सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। ये वीडियो एंड तक देखिएगा और इसके आगे आने वाली जितनी वीडियोस हैं सबको बहुत ध्यान से सुनिएगा और पढ़िएगा और देखिएगा, ताकि आप अपनी इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छे से सुधार सकें। और मैं आपको हिंदी में बताऊंगा और इंग्लिश में भी बताऊंगा कि आप एक अच्छी इंग्लिश कैसे बोल सकते हैं और आपकी स्पोकन इंग्लिश कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ कैसे मतलब सही कर सकते हैं आप और बोल सकते हैं। So guys, as English is the one of the most powerful languages in the world, it is vital to learn it. Whether you are looking to enhance your career growth or you are looking to expand your educational opportunities, mastering English has the potential to be transformative. So guys, in this YouTube video, we will learn how to speak English in simple steps. So we will start with the first step, that is set a goal. Before embarking on your English language journey, it is essential to have a clear goal in mind. Do you want to improve your communication or you have to pass an English language exam? Establishing your goal will help you tailor language learning accordingly. So the second step is start with the basics. To learn any language in this world, it is vital to start with the fundamentals. Begin with simple phrases and focus on the grammar rules. Don't worry about getting everything perfect at the first. Mistakes are a natural part of learning journey. However, consistent practice is the key. Step 3 is practice, practice and practice. Once you have a good foundation of grammar and phrases, the most important aspect of learning language is practice. Engage in conversation with native speakers or the other language learners. Watch English language TV shows or movies, or you can read novels, or you can read newspaper. Also you can listen to English language music. The more you immerse yourself with English language, the quicker you will progress. So the fourth step is focus on the pronunciation. First of all, it's pronunciation, not pronunciation. So keep in mind, even your vocabulary and grammar are correct, if your pronunciation is not clear, then it can be challenging for others to understand it. Focus on pronouncing each word correctly and don't be afraid to ask for feedback from native speakers or any other random person. So the step 5 is use online resources in this internet era. Of course, there are numerous online resources on the internet available to aid your language learning, from apps like Duolingo and other online apps of English learning, of course. Also you can watch English language tutorial videos like you are watching mine. Make use of these resources as a supplement to boost your language learning and on your skills even further. Last step is keep practicing. Practicing is the key to success. Be consistent and keep practicing. Learning a new language is a continual process, and it's essential to keep practicing even you have reached your initial goal. Join online language learning programs and keep interacting with native speakers. It means कि आप मतलब कि सबके साथ इंग्लिश में बात करिए, चाहे आप इंग्लिश बोल पा रहे हैं, नहीं बोल पा रहे, या मतलब जैसे टूटी फूटी भी बोल रहे हैं, बट आप इंग्लिश में बात करिए। किसी से भी इंग्लिश में बात करिए, चाहे कहीं जा रहे हैं, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, आपको सिर्फ इंग्लिश ही बोलनी है, इंग्लिश ही सुननी है। ऑनलाइन मूवीज़ भी इंग्लिश में देखनी है, अगर आप चाहें तो नीचे सबटाइटल्स ऑन कर सकते हैं, बट आप कुछ भी कर रहे हैं तो आप इंग्लिश में ही करिए, क्योंकि आप जितना उसमें घुसेंगे उतनी आप मतलब आप फ्रीक्वेंट होते रहेंगे, उतना फ्लुएंट होते रहेंगे। In conclusion, learning English may be daunting, but by following these simple steps, anyone can master in any language. Remember to set a clear goal, start with the basics, keep practicing, and make use of online resources. With consistent efforts and dedication, you will be speaking fluent English in no time. So guys, the part 2 of the video will arrive soon. If you like this video, please like this video, comment, and if you want any other videos in future on any other topic, you can comment down below. So thanks for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. More vlogs are coming soon. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.